can get you funds without all the hassles typically associated with business loans. Our lenders value your cash flow more than your personal credit score. The process is simple. We can get you an approval in one business day and provide you with funds quickly. If you could benefit from a business loan of $20,000 to $500,000 and you're generating at least $100,000 in business revenue, we can help you. We have a straightforward one-page application and only need a few simple documents to generate your approval. Let us help you grow your business.
All right, in this training, we're going to talk about the 4 alternatives a business owner has for capital to grow their business or get through a tight pinch, and why DAC is the best source 80% of the time. So here's an example. You got a restaurant owner who wants to add a patio. They want to add more seats. You know, they say the average restaurant seat generates about $20,000 in revenue per year. So the more seats you have, the more revenue you're going to do. So this restaurant wants to add a patio. They're going to need $100,000. Well, maybe they are in a tight pinch and they need $100,000. Maybe they want to buy another location. Maybe they want to buy a new oven. Doesn't matter the use of funds. This is just an example. But let's say they need that $100,000. What are their 4 choices? Well, number 1, they've got their own savings, their own working capital. If they've got it, they use it, and we move on. We can't help them. Or maybe they have friends and family who are willing to give them the money, and the business owner is willing to deal with the pressure of owning a friend money and the guilt of taking a vacation while still owning that friend money. Or maybe they'll sell part of their company and bring on a partner through friends and family. But so those are 2 alternatives that business owner has, right? And then the third alternative is the big bank. Well, the big banks are great for some people. First of all, you have to have great credit. And if you have great credit and you want a big loan, they're really good. But here's your 4 ways a bank can help a business owner. Actually, there's 3 that they help a business owner. 1 is a credit card. Generally, as long as you have a good credit score of at least 670 or 700 above, you can get a credit card from the bank. But it's usually, $5,000, $10,000, $25,000. And if you're a business, you're not going to get a credit card unless you've been in business several years, right? The second way is what they call a revolving line of credit. It acts just like a credit card. It's just a higher balance or a higher approval amount. And that's approved by the bank themselves. Again, you generally have to have a 700 credit score or higher, which rules out over 80% of the business owners out there. And also you have to be in business for at least 1 or 2 years. And you have to be doing a lot of revenue. So that rules out, again, 80% of the businesses. The third way a bank could help is a bank loan. Now, there's 2 things about a big bank loan. Number 1, they want it to be at least $500,000 or more before they want to get into looking at it. And also they want collateral. So you have to put up your building there, as you see, either your house or your building or your property. So you need collateral to cover the loan. If you're borrowing $400,000, $500,000, you need to have $400,000 in equity available to pledge for your loan in case you don't pay it back.